Hello students, welcome back to online classes. Today we are going to begin with the worksheet number 7 of your topic linkers. See the question in the worksheet 7. In each of the sentences given below, some word or words is or are missing. एक वर्ड भी मिसिंग हो सकता है, मोर देन वन भी हो सकता है. पुट अ स्लैश मीन्स slanting line like this. Put a slash where the word or words is or are missing. Find appropriate word or words from the box below and write it or them in the blank. This is your hints. These are the hints. Help box. इसमें आपके words given है even, that, order, as, if, as well, soon as, condition, so. तो इनमें से आपने फिल करना है एंड दीज आर योर क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस. सी द फर्स्ट वन. द सर्कुलर वॉज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड दैट द स्टूडेंट्स माइट नो द वेकेशन शेड्यूल. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिसिंग है इस लाइन में? द सर्कुलर वॉज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सो दैट. यहाँ पे आपका मिसिंग है सो दैट द स्टूडेंट्स माइट नो द वेकेशन शेड्यूल. Next one. Do not lie. Even the world is against you. चाहे पूरी दुनिया आपके अगेंस्ट हो जाए, आपको झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Do not lie even if. Next one. He saved a rupee daily so he could have something in time of need. He saved a rupee daily so that. Taki. Okay. Next. Smriti stood if she were a statue. She के साथ were plural form है, यहाँ पे plural verb है, तो ये आपका conditional होता है if she were. okay. और ये कैसे यहाँ पे क्या लगता है फिर? as if, मानो की, जैसे की. Smriti stood as if she were a statue. As if. Next is, the students stood up as the teacher arrived in the class. The students stood up as soon as. Okay, as के बाद soon as the teacher arrived in the class. Next, the president as the prime minister was present in the function. The president as well यहाँ पे आएगा, तो ये as से पहले हमें स्लैंटिंग लाइन लगानी पड़ेगी क्योंकि हमारे पास as well आपका हेल्प बॉक्स में गिवन है as well. तो यहाँ पे as से पहले ब्लैंक आएगा. द प्रेसिडेंट as well as the prime minister was present in the function. Next is, you will get this job on that you shall work 7 days a week. You will get this job on condition that. On condition that. Next is, there is no harm in apologizing to the elders if you are not at fault. There is no harm in apologizing to the elders even if you are not at fault. चाहे आपकी गलती भी ना हो. Note, all the words in the box when joined with the expression in the sentences form compound linkers. जब एक वर्ड से ज़्यादा आपके वर्ड आए तो इनको कंपाउंड लिंकर्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो दैट, इन ऑर्डर दैट, एज दो, इवन इफ. सो दीज आर योर कंपाउंड लिंकर्स. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज नाउ. दिस इज योर डू इट योरसेल्फ एक्सरसाइज. द पैसेज गिवन बिलो हैज नॉट बीन एडिटेड. सम वर्ड्स आर मिसिंग. Put a slash where you think a word is missing and write it in the space provided. In every line there is a word missing and you have to put that word in the right place. We know mammals took over as dinosaurs. We know that. We know that mammals took over as dinosaurs died out. यहाँ पे आप ये भी कर सकते हो, mammals took over as soon as. that लगाने important नहीं होता, बिना that के भी आपका sentence सही रहता है. We know mammals took over as soon. that will be better. As soon as dinosaurs died out. Have you ever wondered? यहाँ पे आएगा आपका but have you ever wondered why this happened? Well, one reason is that mammals are warm-blooded creatures. That means that their bodies have a constant temperature. This is important. It means that mammals are ready. This is important as it means that mammals are ready for action at all times, in all weathers. Cold-blooded animals. It means that mammals are ready for action at all times, in all weathers. Cold-blooded animals needed to soak heat. यहाँ पे आप क्या लगाएंगे? Whereas, जबकि. Whereas cold-blooded animals needed to soak heat from the sun, they could move about. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? So that they could move about. Okay, come to the next exercise now. The paragraph given below has not been edited. Some words have been used wrongly. कुछ wrong words हैं. Read the passage, underline the wrong words and write the correct words in the spaces provided. Correct word आपने spaces में लिखना है और wrong word को underline करना है. Fruit or vegetables contain natural chemicals. और नहीं, यहाँ पे आएगा and. Fruits and vegetables contain natural chemicals who are necessary for good. Who यहाँ पे wrong है. Which are necessary for good health. Such substances have attracted either popular and scientific attention. Either वाले sentence में and नहीं और आता है. This is the wrong word and you will write or. Scientific attention to the health benefits these provide. These substances, flavonoids, may not be essential nutrients and appear to provide health benefits. And is wrong. यहाँ पे आपका आएगा but appear to provide health benefits या यहाँ पे yet भी लगा सकते हो. Okay, yet or but. Appear to provide health benefits, but therein lies their importance. यहाँ पर but की जगह and. So these are your exercises of linkers. Thank you.